In previous topic, we studied about difference between economic progress and economic development. Now we'll study about features of developing economy. First, less per capita income. Maximum developing countries of the world is facing problem of population explosion. Due to that, their national income is less, while population growth rate is high, so per capita income remains low. Due to less per capita income, living standard of the people in these countries are low. Second, population growth. Population growth rate is high in developing nations. Rate of population growth is 2% or more in these nations. Developing nations population growth is due to 2% or more than this. The biggest problem of the country is population explosion. Third, dependence on agriculture. Main occupation of the people of developing countries is agriculture. More than 60% of the population is dependent on agriculture for their employment. Contribution of agriculture in national income of these nations is about 26%. In these countries, farm size is small and per hectare productivity is one of the causes of the less income group. Fourth, unequal distribution of income. Unequal distribution of income and factors of production is seen in developing countries. This inequality is seen in cities as well as villages. 20% rich people of the country share 40% of national income and the poorest 20% people share 10% of the national income. This concentration of income and property is seen in the hand of rich people in developing economy. By the above data, it is clearly seen that there is a big gap between the economic condition of rich and poor in these countries. Fifth, unemployment. Unemployment may be counted as an important feature of developing countries. In these countries, ratio of unemployment is more than 3% of total labor. In these countries, different types of unemployment may be seen. Example, seasonal unemployment, disguised unemployment, industrial unemployment, etc. Moreover, the period of unemployment is very long. Later on, we will discuss in detail about the types of unemployment seen in developing economies. Moreover, the period of unemployment in these countries are not short-lived. It can be varied from few months to many years. 6. Poverty. Poverty is also a feature of developing economy. People who are not able to satisfy their primary necessities like food, clothing, shelter, education and health are called as poor. In developing countries, such people constitute 1/3 of the total population. This is a clear signal that a major population of these countries' population are struggling for their existence due to poverty. 7th, dual economy. The economy of a developing country is based on dual or mixed system. On one side, backward farming, old machinery, orthodox social structure, less production are seen in villages. On the other side, there are the cities having modern industries, new production process, modern implements and modern sophisticated lifestyle. For example, if we'll see the life of Indian farmer who are living in villages, their system is orthodox and old, and when we'll compare their life with the businessmen who are living in big cities, we can easily see the picture of dual economy in India. 8. Insufficient infrastructure facilities. In developing economies, crucially, vital infrastructure facilities like education, transportation, communication, electricity, health facilities, banking, etc. are less lacking in developing countries, which hinders the development of a nation. Less developed infrastructure is one of the prominent causes of less development of these countries. 9. Form of international trade. The structure of foreign trade of developing countries is different. These countries mainly export agro products and farm products because these countries are agriculture based countries as well as mineral ores. These type of products have less demand and low rate, so less income is gained by exporting these goods, while imports include industrial products and machinery. As the cost of these products is more, so expenses on import rises. In short, we can say due to import burden of expensive good and less export capacity, these countries facing problem of debt. Due to that, their development is less.